Hi family, welcome back. Today we're making Omotuo and Groundnut Soup. To start off, I will be blending some green chilies, green bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion. And I will be using this to season my chicken, okay? So stick and stay with me, family. Let's go ahead and season those chicken, okay? So for this recipe, I use eje. You know, cooking with Addie loves herself some eje. I'll then go in with some Maggi, okay, 1 Maggi, and then I will as well add some Minazén chicken seasoning. Now, I got this seasoning from the African market, so try it out. And I also go in with some Sankofa, ginger, garlic, and powder mix, and the ingredients that we blended earlier on. Enjoy, family. Add a pinch of salt to your taste and then add water. This chicken was soft, so I will bring it to a boil for about 25 minutes. Now I will add my veggies in there to boil with the chicken. So I use 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, and this habanero pepper is hot, which is why I use just 1. So while our protein is cooking, I will go ahead and prep the peanut butter, okay? So I got this peanut butter paste from the African market as well. So then I'll go in with some tomato paste, and then I will mix all of this together with some water, okay? Use lukewarm water. And then mix. Right after mixing, go ahead and fry this peanut butter paste with the tomato paste as well. Now, one thing about groundnut soup is that you need to fry your peanut butter, and you also need to cook this very well. Doing this avoids you having any form of diarrhea. So keep stirring that peanut butter. Once you get to this stage, cover it up because the splashes, they hurt. So cover it up and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Now let's check on our veggies. At this point, they were cooked, so I will take them out and put them into my blender. Now, since these were super hot, I will wait for them to cool down before I blend them. So So don't use water to blend these ingredients, okay? Use the stock, cover it, and allow this meat to simmer. So we check back on the peanut butter. At this point, it is all done, okay? It is ready. Once you see this oil settle on top, set it aside, okay? It is ready. So we will go ahead and blend the ingredients because at this point they were cooled down, and then pour those blended ingredients back into the soup, okay? Pour it back into the chicken and allow this to come to a boil for about 15 minutes. While that was cooking, I brought water to a boil because I'll be pairing this with rice balls, and then I'll go in with 3 cups of rice, add some salt to it, mix all of this goodness together, and allow this rice, okay, to simmer. Allow this rice to cook, okay, before driving it. It's been over 15 minutes, so at this point, we're gonna go ahead and pour the peanut butter that we fried earlier. So now, with this peanut butter, you're gonna pour hot water in it. Do not pour cold water. Do not pour lukewarm water. A hot boiling water in it, and then transfer that back into your pot, okay? So once you pour that in there, mix all of this deliciousness together and allow the soup to come to a boil for about 30 minutes. Go ahead and rinse any peanut butter residue from the pot and transfer it back into the soup, okay? And again, allow the soup to come to a boil for 30 minutes after mixing. At this point, our rice was ready, okay? I mean, it was ready to be dried. So now you're gonna drive this rice like how you drive banku and fufu. Yes, so drive till you get to the consistency that you like. Once you achieve that consistency, dish out that rice into your banku rubber or saran wrap, and then turn that rice, okay, into a shape of a ball, and you have your rice balls. I'm going to repeat this process over and over again until all the rice in that pot is consumed or dished out. About cooking with Addie, she does not leave a single thing out. Yes, we're scraping the small rice out too. Then 25 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some pepper to my soup, okay? Just so if anyone is eating this and the spiciness is not to their taste, they could squeeze that in their soup and allow this to cook for an extra 5 minutes. Now, look at that soup after 30 minutes. For groundnut soup, once oil settles on top, it is ready. Now, family, you know what time it is. Cooking with Addie, chapter 1, verse 1 says, "He that suffereth is the one that was eaten." So yeah, that's my rice balls. I'll go ahead and add my soup in there. And guess what, family? I am going to dig in because this food, it looks too good, and the aroma in this kitchen. I hate to leave you guys this way. Family, if you've been able to watch this far, you're the real MVP. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend that Cooking with Addie has posted another banger. Let me taste this. This was too good, family. I have to eat off camera. Now, I will see you guys on another exciting recipe next Sunday. Bye, family. Mwah.